Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So this is going to be a kind of 2-for-1. We are doing Mousetober, which is day 13 drink. I'm a little bit late for this. It's Canadian Thanksgiving and I can't even move. I'm so stuffed. So yeah. So anyway, the word was drink and I already drew this mouse and I went over it with fine liner. I did record the fine liner, but I don't know if I'll show the whole thing. I might just show a little bit, because we're going to be doing more than just this today. We also have this unboxing, which fits in with Mousetober really well, or I think it will. So anyway, let's just quickly open this up. This is from Amazon Prime days. I only bought 2 things on it during Amazon Prime, and this is one of them. And it's just a teeny tiny little box. It's like a little gift. And it says CSY Art Gallery. Can you see that? Since 2018. Very pretty little gift box here. It's like a little gift to me from me. I am very much into that. So, yeah. So, you guys, I'm super excited to see this. I don't know if I can open it without my scissors. I was just putting my scissors away. So, let's see what we have here. So, let's open it up. Super cute. So we have it really well packaged, as you could see, with the bubble wrap, and it is a teeny tiny tin box from CSY Gallery, which makes handmade honey watercolor. And it says German import material. So let's turn this the other way. Look how cute that tin is. CSY Art Gallery mini tin box. And it's just flat on the other side. It has hinges, and let's open this up and see what it looks like. So it comes with some silica gel, and it comes with some magnets, which is really, really nice, because you could put these magnetic strips down on the back, and then if you have one of those magnetic boards, you can use it on that, which is really, really nice. I do have one of those boards, so I'm going to just put those in here for now, though. And look, isn't that pretty? And here we have the colors. So I chose this one because it was on sale for $12.35. And I have always seen these colors, these watercolors advertised, and I've never bought them because I do have a lot of glitter watercolors. These are glitter watercolors. So let's just quickly open these up. So here we have this is Gold Pearl. You know what I would appreciate even more than that is if they were labeled right on these things. So I don't know if you could see, but the paint just fell out. It's a little gold brick, you guys. And what does it say on the back? It just says, oh, it does say CSI Art Gallery. And it's Gold Pearl. So I'm just going to take this sticker here. And maybe just stick it on the bottom. Just so I have it labeled. Alright, so you don't need to watch me open all of these. So I will do that off camera and I'll come back, or else I'll speed it up. Maybe I'll just really speed it up, okay? So hang on. Okay, so I sped this up 25 times faster than normal just to get through it because it took me a long time to open. Okay, I just wanted to let you know that. Okay, guys, I am back, and here are the colors. We have the beautiful crystal silver, gold pearl, Inca Gold, Golden Copper, Red Brown, and this is a chocolate green. So this is what they look like. I've got this paper towel ready, and I'm just going to pop this underneath here so it's up on a little wee bit of an angle. And I think those magnets are all actually to cut up and put at the bottoms of these so that they don't fall out, which I will probably do. But I'm just going to have to go with my pens later and label these on the side. I just don't want to do that right now. All right, so I'm just going to use a water brush. We're going to go very quickly. I'm going to just drop a little bit of water in the middle of each of these. As usually, these kind of colors, you do have to let the water sit for a bit. So anyway, you guys, these pens were under $13. Right now, they're $13.27. I paid, I think, $12.34 or $12.35 for these, which is really great. And they're handmade, they're metallic, and they have a lot of really good reviews. Yeah, I paid $12.32. I wasn't even close. And that's Canadian money, you guys. So anyway, I know I want the inside of the pot and everything flying here to be like gold and silver. So we can test that, but let's test the silver first. So am I even on camera? No, I'm not. That's what's really hard about these. Give me a second. Okay, everything is on camera now, so I'm getting a little bit of this white. This silver. And I don't know if you could see that, but it is. I don't know if you could see how it's shimmering. So I know I want over here to have that color. I don't know if it's going to show. I'll try to hold it up close for you. So we have a little bit of that white. I'm going to put some down here so I can go over it a bit. And I'm going to put some in the middle here. And I'm going to put some right in here too. Okay? So I don't know if you could see that at all. But now we're going to move to the next color. This is almost, I don't know how people make the aesthetic videos. I really don't. I drop things, I knock things. I am not the person to watch if you want those beautiful aesthetic videos, because it's just not going to happen, you guys. Real pretty. We'll put some in here. So I don't know if it's showing up, but this is a really lovely color. And it's super shimmery. And next we're just going to go with the darker one here. Oh, look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? So, of course, I can't remember the names of any of these colors, but I'll try to put them up when I'm editing, okay? So, we want some darker brown to go down this way. Have some swirling in here. And just a little wee bit swirling there. Next up, this is the copper. These are really beautiful watercolors. So we're going to use some of that copper over here on the inside of the cauldron. And we're going to put some on the outside of the cauldron. And next we have the reddish brown color. I'm going to put a little bit there. And a little bit around here. You see the colors? Put a few drops. I'm going to try to clean my brush better. I was letting some of the other colors mix, and look how sparkly just this is. I don't think the sparkles are showing up very well. All right. No, this is like a green brown, it says. So it looks really green in the pan, but you can see when you mix it, it's got some dark colors. Sorry, I hit the camera with my brush pen. Or water pen, or whatever you call these things. All right, so let's put some here. That's a beautiful color. I really like that. And let's put some around here. Can you see that? And I wanted her to have a purple outfit. I really did, but I'm thinking that green-brown might be nice too. All right, let's clean that brush. So that is all of these beautiful sparkly colors. Just gonna close the lid for now so they stay wet. And there are the colors right there. They're still wet. And I am just going to go ahead and paint with my Winsor Newton Cotmans now. These ones right here. And I'm not going to talk, and I'll come back at the end and we'll talk, okay? Okay, guys, I am back, and we are done with day 13, which is drink. I absolutely love my brand new watercolors made by CSY Art Gallery. The colors are beautiful. They're sparkly. I don't know if you could see. I'm really happy with how my little witch came out. She's got a potion that she's making, a special sparkly drink. And I don't know if you can see how shiny it is. It's super shiny. It's just really pretty. So I just wanted to do like all the different colors in here, kind of like it was supposed to be like in space, but I didn't do that right. But I'm still happy with how it turned out. And then I went with Cotman just for the pinks and the purples and some of the black and the green. But yeah, she's super cute. I'm really happy with how she turned out. And I might try to animate her using AI, so we'll see how that works. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I did animate this video. I used DeeVid AI to do it, and I think it is absolutely adorable. And I will do another video coming up showing all of the ones I animated because I couldn't stop. It was so much fun. So I love my little witch mouse. I hope you liked her too. And I don't know, let me know if you like the combining the unboxing and the drawing for today. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.